The iPhone Air 2 is already being written off by many as Apple's next quiet cancellation, but the reality is far more strategic than the numbers suggest. Reports around weak iPhone Air sales have sparked comparisons to Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge, a phone that sold just 1.3 million units, while the full S25 lineup crossed 22.7 million, leading Samsung to reportedly cancel the S26 Edge altogether. The first iPhone Air contributed only about 3% of the iPhone 17 lineup, which naturally raised doubts about whether an iPhone Air 2 would ever exist. However, according to reports, Apple never planned this model as an annual release, which explains why it was never branded as the iPhone 17 Air. The iPhone Air was designed as a low-volume experimental product, not a yearly upgrade cycle device. Daily use of the first-generation Air made Apple's intent obvious. The 6.5-inch display hit a practical balance, large enough for content without crossing into Pro Max territory. Display quality was excellent, but compromises quickly surfaced. Battery life was the biggest weakness, barely lasting half a day under medium to heavy use. The absence of a telephoto camera, missing Pro features like Pro RAW and Pro Res, USB 3.0 transfer speeds, a single speaker, a lower positioned dynamic island, and inconsistent cellular performance from the C1X modem all made the device feel unfinished rather than focused. Battery improvements are expected to be the foundation of the iPhone Air 2. According to reports, Apple is developing a larger battery, though it's still unclear whether this will be achieved through silicon-carbon technology or higher density lithium-ion cells. The current 3,149 mAh capacity could realistically increase to around 3,700 to 4,000 mAh, representing roughly a 20% size boost and potentially 25 to 30% better real-world battery life. Performance upgrades are expected to come from the A20 chip, built on TSMC's 2nm processor. According to leaks, Apple will move to TSMC's WMCM packaging, allowing RAM to be integrated directly with the CPU, GPU, and neural engine. This should result in faster performance, quicker Apple Intelligence responses, improved efficiency, and more internal space, which could open the door for a second camera module. While Gurman notes this would require significant internal rearranging, leaks claim Apple may add a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, potentially matching the iPhone 17 setup. Gurman also suggests the iPhone Air 2 could receive a vapor chamber cooling system from the iPhone 17 Pro, addressing thermal throttling caused by its ultra-thin design and titanium frame. According to reports, Apple's revised launch strategy places Pro models and the rumored iPhone Fold in fall 2026, with the standard iPhone 18 lineup and the iPhone Air 2 expected in spring 2027. Pricing is likely to stay close to the original Air, reinforcing its role as a niche showcase device rather than a mass market seller.